people, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am gonna cook some Jamaican authentic rice and peas. In this pot right here is 1 cup of water, and the reason for adding 1 cup of water is because after the peas the water comes to a boil, we need to add fresh tap water. So as you can see, the peas rise at the top of the pot when the water comes to a boil. So what I'm going to do is to add around 4 cups of water to the pot, and that method is called sink the peas in Jamaica. So now I'm going to cover the pot, and hopefully that amount of water can cook the peas. If not, I will add more water. I will add more water to it. So this is the coconut. I grated the coconut in a food processor. And I'm gonna juice this with some warm water. This is much finer than when you actually use a grater. And the reason why I rather to use this coconut instead of using the canned coconut. I use a canned coconut sometimes, but I rather to use this one because the oil that you get from this coconut, you don't get it from the canned coconut. They remove the oil when they pour it into the pan, then remove the oil. So you don't get the oil, and I love the coconut oil. Yeah, so when you use the warm water, you get out everything. So some people juice their coconut twice. Me not bother with that. I just use warm water and get out everything, and that's it. So what I'm gonna do now is to set this aside until I'm ready to use it. So the peas is partially cooked. So I tell you what I did. See, the peas is partially cooked. Add 1 green pepper to the pot. Remember to remove the stem of the pepper because you want the flavor from the pepper to steep through right here. So remove the stem. Use a green pepper. Green pepper has more flavor than red pepper. It also has less heat. Do not use a red pepper, yellow pepper, orange pepper, what color pepper. Use a green pepper. Fresh thyme. Remember to wash your thyme good, especially when you use it fresh because sometimes worm the funny. So I'm going to also put scallion in a pot. But I'm going to kind of crush it up a little to wake up the oil. The oil when in the scallion, it don't really come up unless you beat the scallion or so. So I just beat it. Because you want the oil in a scallion, in a pot. So that's why I beat it. And just add it to the pot now. See? So you get that oil to come up. If you don't have something like this, you can just use the back of spoon and just crush it. Yeah. You can, and you smell it. You can smell it right now because the oil wakes up. So you smell the scallion and so you get the flavor. So I'm going to cover it and let the peas continue to cook. It partially cook, you know. So I normally add my scallion thyme and add pepper to the peas when it is partially cooked and not when it is cooked because I want the flavor to also boil with the peas. And I don't add my coconut milk until the peas fully cook. I just add it and let it cook for about 5 minutes and then add the rice. That's so me love it. So now I am gonna add the coconut milk. I am also gonna add salt. And some all-purpose. This is optional. So I'm gonna cover the pot and let the coconut milk cook for 5 minutes. Yes, so I am gonna cook the rice now. And if you notice, I put the pot on this mesh wire. Yeah, because I am gonna cook the rice, so you have to take the pot off the heat, off the direct coal. This rice are gonna burn up. And a small amount of coal is in the coal stove as well. So the rice is washed until the water runs clear. I think this is about 2 pounds of rice. And you can use parboil if you want, but me not like parboiled rice. Me just use the white rice and cook the rice and peas. Me not like brown rice or parboiled rice. Give it a stir. So if you notice with the amount of water, it's like an inch over the rice. So you can see the rice. The water just barely over the rice, about an inch, right? So I'm going to cover the pot and I'm going to make the rice cook. So I'm going to put butter in my rice and peas because the coconut milk contains everything. You understand? So no need to put butter. For me personally, if you want to put butter, you can put butter. So that's it, you know. I'm going to make your rice cook now. So let's have a look at the rice. First thing first, I'm going to remove the thyme and the scallion and the pepper. Now, as you can see, the water dissolved. So what I'm doing now is to just fluff the rice, as me call it. So the rice is not fully cooked. So I'm going to cover the pot and let the rice continue to steam. If you have foil paper, you can put foil paper over it if you want, but I don't feel like putting it. I don't feel like use foil paper. But you can use it. I don't feel like use it. So I'm going to just cover this and next 20-25 minutes. Yeah. So this is it. Jamaican traditional rice and peas cook on a coal stove. You know, when rice and peas cook on coal stove is sweet.